Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. You already know what to do. So in today's video we're going to be reviewing the TKB Mousse medium. Okay, let me show you guys. I came across this when I was shopping on their website and was like, wait, what? And I saw that they already have different kinds of base, of lip gloss base, apart from the normal TKB Trading Versagel that we always get. When I saw this, I was surprised because the price was very high. So I am currently on their website and I'm just gonna read what they have there for you guys. So lightweight cream colored multi-purpose base for making eyeshadow, blush, and lightweight foundation. So that's why I decided to give it a try. And this is just the 2-ounce bag. I just think it's expensive compared to the lip gloss base. So I noticed that they added a few lip gloss base options. There's the glossability base, there's the natural gloss base, and there's the normal lip gloss base that we always get. And I actually don't know the difference. I have to actually do my research, and once I do my research, I'll let you guys know what the differences are. But as of right now, we're going to be trying the liquid eyeshadow base. You can also use it to make your blush, foundation. So yeah, we're going to be making liquid eyeshadows today. So if that's what you want to watch, then grab your popcorn, sit down, and let's get right into
So I'm going to be using
video.
this container, and this is the TKB Trading, and this is the TKB Trading Mousse medium. As you can see, it's 2 ounce, and that's 57 grams. It's vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. So This is what it looks like. So let's try it on our eyelids. I think you're supposed to let it dry. And then I'll put it on the other one. You can use it for your blush as well. So I think you can use it for your eyeliner. Like I said, you can try different colors and whatever works for you guys. I think I like it. I like the formula. It's watery, but I think it dries up after a while.